washed and cut spinach, add chopped onions and salt, and then mix it together and let it cook. Cook for roughly 10 minutes on a low flame. Make sure the water is evaporated. In a separate pan, add your cooking oil of choice. Add some dried red chilies for the spice and chopped garlic. Then you can add in your hatkora, which is a Bangladeshi vegetable. You don't have to add this to this recipe because it is optional. Don't forget the salt, and you also need to add some turmeric and curry powder. Then we added half a cup of water. Once the water has gone, we mixed in our spinach. And there you have it, a delicious authentic spinach and hatkora dish which you could have with some chapati or rice. Please subscribe and click the bell icon next to it so you are notified every time I upload a healthy and tasty recipe. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Bye!